the art of tree felling like never before. From daring heights to precision cuts, every moment is a masterpiece. Subscribe to Rare Chainsaw now and join the excitement. A focused person uses a chainsaw to cut through a big tree trunk with care. As the tree starts to fall dangerously, they quickly run away, just in time to avoid the risky moment.
Okay.
In the forest, two people team up to cut down a big tree. One uses a chainsaw carefully, while the other watches for safety. Wow! The loud creak and fall are so intense. Thankfully, they nailed it. In a forest, a skilled person expertly uses a chainsaw, cutting at perfect angles and creating amazing designs. Wow! The tree tilts dangerously, then crashes safely. Incredible precision and craftsmanship.
Oj.
In the middle of a forest, a person skillfully cuts a large, thick tree using precise and safe methods. Wow! The tree falls with a loud, amazing crash. In a forest filled with logs, a lumberjack in bright orange safety gear uses a chainsaw to cut a big tree. Each small cut looks like a craftsman's artistic touch. Wow, so impressive! Angled cuts on the tree showcase the size wheel technique's precision with a wedge cut, highlighting careful planning. Wow, the clean cuts and the arborist's expertise truly demonstrate artistic craftsmanship and skillful control. What an impressive process. The video showcases the use of a shallow notch paired with a thick hinge, demonstrating how these precise cuts enhance control over the tree's fall direction and speed. The conventional face cut technique is also highlighted, showing its effectiveness in managing the tree's fall. The lumberjack's skilled technique and the resulting clean, sharp cuts emphasize expertise and precision. What a masterful display of craftsmanship. The video shows a close-up of a rectangular groove skillfully cut into a tree trunk. The person focuses entirely on precision, experimenting with the technique rather than practical application. In a wooded area surrounded by wooden planks, the man's relaxed demeanor highlights the creative, exploratory approach. Wow, such a unique and fascinating process. Two men work methodically to bring down a massive tree, prioritizing precision and safety. The roadside setting, surrounded by lush greenery, adds a serene backdrop. Once the tree is felled and lies horizontally, the process continues with one operator skillfully segmenting it into sections while the other observes. Wow, the efficiency of the chainsaws and teamwork truly stand out in this seamless operation. Two people work together carefully to cut down a tree. As the tree begins to fall, both quickly run to safety, narrowly avoiding the danger in a tense and skillful moment. video demonstrates cutting techniques and showcases the powerful STIHL MS651 chainsaw. A worker expertly cuts through a massive tree trunk, with sawdust covering the ground, highlighting the chainsaw's incredible efficiency in large-scale tree cutting. The scene shifts to show the skilled labor involved in timber harvesting within a dense forest, emphasizing precision, expertise, and the hard work required in this demanding environment. Wow, what an impressive display of craftsmanship and equipment performance. A person skillfully operates a chainsaw to cut down a tall coconut tree, demonstrating precise and efficient tree felling techniques. The tropical setting, surrounded by dense greenery, emphasizes the ease and power of the chainsaw model 382. The scene then focuses on an angled cut at the tree's base, showcasing the crucial first step in safely bringing it down. Wood shavings scatter the ground, adding to the vibrant energy of the lush environment. Wow, such a perfect blend of skill and technology. The operator expertly wields a steel MS881 chainsaw, cutting through a massive Trembesi tree with incredible precision. As the tree falls gracefully, a team of workers moves in, efficiently segmenting the wood. The carefully cut sections are prepared for transport to a factory, where they'll be crafted into beautiful furniture. Wow, what an impressive display of skill, teamwork, and purpose. A person in bright protective gear, holding a powerful chainsaw, stands confidently in a sunlit clearing, ready for the exciting and risky task of tree felling. Wow! The video captures him skillfully cutting a hazardous tree, with a sturdy metal structure in the background, adding to the intense, dramatic setting. The way JCB highlights the precision and care taken to protect surrounding structures during the cutting process is truly amazing. the Husqvarna 395 XP expertly cuts through a 25-meter pine tree with sawdust flying and precise planning to protect nearby houses and gardens. Climbed and trimmed using the Husqvarna T540 XP, this operation showcases incredible skill, precision, and control. In a forest, a person skillfully uses a chainsaw to cut a huge tree. Wow! The tree tilts dangerously, but he run away safely. Amazing escape. The challenging terrain highlights the difficulty of maneuvering in such thick forest conditions. The focus shifts to a large diameter tree trunk, surrounded by lush greenery, showcasing the couple's precise forestry work in cramped spaces. Wow! The serene yet daunting forest backdrop adds intensity to their impressive effort. individuals skillfully fell a massive tree using a steel chainsaw, with one cutting and the other assisting. Safety equipment, an orange cone, and scattered wood shavings highlight their precise, methodical approach in an overcast field. Workers carefully assess the trees and coordinate their efforts using powerful chainsaws, with leaves scattered around showing active felling work. A worker closely evaluates the base of a Trembesi tree, where a partially completed notch reveals the precision of the process. With focus and preparation, they gear up to continue the felling. Wow, every cut, every fall, pure mastery. This was tree felling like never before. Join us for more exciting adventures. Subscribe to Rare Chainsaw and never miss the action.